stock looking example of a 1947 Ford Super Deluxe Coupe. Flathead powered, 59AB flathead underneath the hood, paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission, 6-volt system. Look at their wide white walls, Ford wheel covers, pinstripe wheel, and take a look at how straight that bright work is on there, and also very nicely polished. Speaking of which, take a look at this front grille, chrome bumper, those driving lights or fog lights. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a little closer look at the bright work on this side. Has had a repaint along the line, obviously, also shows well. Are you going to be able to find a few blemishes in it? Yeah, here or there, small ones. Give you kind of an example, like say that right there. So I'm not talking about a whole lot. That visor, the 2 side mounted spotlights, rear view mirrors, just what a great looking original car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the chrome in the rear. Dual exhaust. Of course, the Ford emblem up here in bright work, nice and polished, also shows well. There's some recent service things that have been done to this too, as far as transmission rebuilt. Does have that 3-speed manual. It was master cylinder. We'll take a look underneath the hood. We've got some new headers underneath there. If you want to take your time, look through the still pictures, go right ahead at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Look at how nice this looks from the driver's side also. Wow. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Check that out. Also, very era correct look to it in here. It's kind of that gray and taupe combination. Cloth seats. Little texture to them. I don't know if I'd really call it mohair, but you know what I'm saying on the older ones. Kind of that little texture to the fabric. Headliner. All right. FYI, horn does work on this one. We also have an electric fuel pump. That switch right there is for the electric fuel pump. I just have it left on. It does go on and off with the ignition. Of course, a start button right there. So we're going to come over here. I want to show you something. You hit the ignition right here, flip that up, and check that out. Radio working order. Turn the volume down right here. And you can also change the tone here. Also change channels here. That M stands for manual. You'll be able to manually run it here, but it does have presets by pushing these 2 buttons there. Kind of cool. All right. So ignition is on. How easy that starts. Make sure we're in neutral here. You can also see that fuel pressure gauge coming up. So that does work. I said fuel pressure gauge, oil pressure gauge, sorry. Fuel gauge over here. Battery, temperature. 4 gauges, and of course your speedometer and odometer. You can kind of see that with the glare. Other than that, very original looking dash. Of course, these were ashtrays for back in the day, each side. I don't know if you can hear that running or not. How nice that door closes and fits. Now you can hear that flatty. All right, let me slip up to the front here. I'm gonna pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay. And
hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood pop. Yes, it looks like it has some red headers down there. Let me see it? They're definitely newer headers. Look at how nice and tidy this engine bay is. You can see that. 5.9 AD flathead, getting 6-volt system, everything working correctly. Single carb. Wow, listen to that run. Nice and smooth and quiet. How fun would this car be at your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows? 1947 Ford Super Deluxe Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.